Hi everyone, it's Reagan with the Doherty Real Estate Group, and today I'm here at the Mission Viejo Farmers Market, and today I'm here with Erica. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being here, Erica. So,
Thanks for having me.
of course. Well, tell me, what do you sell here?
Well, these are blends that my father has come up with that we just started bottling this year.
That's awesome.
So we're selling our blends here.
That's so awesome. So you have a bunch of different options. I've seen people coming by and sniffing them. Tell me, what type of seasoning blends do you sell, and what is your favorite here?
Oh, well, that's hard because I really like all of them. We have 5 and they're all really different flavor profiles, but meant to kind of mix and match for whatever it is that you like. These are the only 5 things I use in my own kitchen.
Oh, wow.
And it's just, you get such a layered flavor profile by just having a sprinkle, which makes it so easy.
So you're telling me your dad kind of made these blends initially.
Yes.
How did you guys come to be as a business? Tell me more about that.
Well, over the years, we've just been giving it to family and friends, and everyone loves it so much, so that we just decided this past year that we were gonna just bottle a really small quantity and give it to family and friends as a gift.
That's awesome.
So that was last Christmas, and it was such a hit that we decided to make it into a business.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool. So your dad makes the blends, he initially created them, is that right?
Correct.
How did that process come to be? What made him start messing around with that?
He was just raised in a family that my grandmother always cooked, and part of catering and different family restaurant businesses. And so he just kind of was always around that, and is kind of just always making different things and making blends for, he was roasting something and would mix up 30 different ingredients.
Oh my gosh.
And so it's just over the years, everything has kind of just compiled from that.
Oh, that's so awesome. And why do you now work in the business? What caused you to think, I'm gonna be here at the farmer's market selling the blends?
Well, it's been my dream for a long time to be able to do this, because it's something that I'm super passionate about, that I use in my own house to make amazing food for my family and friends. And I wanted to share it with everyone else.
Oh, that's awesome.
And that's kind of how we got here.
That's so cool. And I saw you with customers kind of talking about what they want to cook and what you'd recommend. It's really cool. Can you give me a couple ideas of what you would use different seasonings for?
So the Frenchie is similar to an herbes Provence, but elevated. It has honey and mustard and salt in it. So it's a standalone spice that's sweet and savory. I love it as a vinaigrette. It's great on lamb or chicken. Potatoes is another great way to use that one. The everything, literally you can use it on everything, hence its name. It's salt, pepper, garlic, and onion, and it's good on roasted vegetables, raw vegetables, meat. The Seaside is a blend of chilies with some cumin and kefir lime. It's great on any kind of seafood, salmon, fish. Is really good, also chicken.
Okay.
The fajita is kind of a Hispanic flavor profile. It has 30 different ingredients in it. It's my favorite as a taco seasoning. I love it on chicken or meat. Very good on.
That's awesome.
And this steak, chili, brown sugar, and coffee. It's great on any kind of meat.
Okay, very cool.
And I like to mix it with everything.
That's awesome. Yeah, there's so many different options, and I know anybody watching this could come down and chat with you about what to use for what.
Yes.
What is something that you want anybody watching this to know about your business so they come on down and sell out all your seasonings here?
Well, first of all, we're a small family-owned business. So I feel like that is a fun way to support. It's, I'm doing this with my father, which is just like you, which is so fun. And it's also, you're getting so much flavor, but without all of the preservatives or caking agents, that you're just getting a really nice product that you can make your food even more delicious.
I love it. I'm so excited. And I heard you were telling people about these are great stocking stuffers.
Yes,
or gifts like that. I know getting adults or parents gifts is hard.
It is.
So this would be a great gift idea. Where else can people find you besides the farmer's market?
On Instagram, Papa Verde Spice.
Perfect.
We also have a website, and we do ship, and we're local in the area, so I could deliver too.
Amazing, amazing. Well, thank you so much, Erica. It was great chatting with you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.